Singing victory, break quickly at the start, moving up Princess Yana El Tigre, then followed by Bayou Data, Green Apple, Wild Chocolate Berries is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn, we have Singing Victory by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is Princess Yana. El Tigre comes next. Bayou Data, Green Apple, and Chocolate Berries still racing in 6. Half mile distance they travel. We have Singing Victory maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Princess Yana in second. El Tigre, Bayou Data, Chocolate Berries, Green Apple. Last 600 meters of the race, we have Singing Victory. Moving up now, Warriors, there is Princess Yana. El Tigre comes next. Chocolate Berries, Bayou Data, and Green Apple. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Princess Yana now saying it's my turn to take the last day swing for home. We have Princess Yana by about 3/4 of a length lead. Driving back in second is Singing Victory. El Tigre comes next. Chocolate Berries with about 100 meters of the race. We have Princess Yana still with double wrap. And finally it's Princess Yana. The second is Singing Victory. El Tigre. Then comes Bayou Data, Chocolate